Welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the air fryer AF502, a versatile kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. The air fryer AF502 is designed to make cooking quick, easy, and delicious. With a 5.3 core capacity, it's perfect for serving 3 to 5 people, making it ideal for family meals or small gatherings. The Easy View window allows you to monitor your food's progress without opening the lid, ensuring perfect results every time. Plus, with 10 cooking presets, including presets for fries, chicken, and more, you can enjoy gourmet quality meals with just the touch of a button. And thanks to its dishwasher-safe components, cleanup is a breeze. That's all for today's review of the air fryer AF502. If you're interested in more kitchen gadgets and cooking tips, be sure to subscribe to Cool Gadgets. Thanks for watching.